opening the hook. At 5,000 meters above sea level, where humans can barely breathe, one of the most important windows into our universe quietly operates. In the Atacama Desert of northern Chile, the driest place on Earth, 66 massive antennas of the ALMA observatory point toward the cosmos, and during the darkest hours before dawn, one single technician keeps this entire system alive. Today on Hope Reactor, we explore the story of this unsung guardian of the universe. Chapter 1. The closest place to space on Earth, ALMA sits where no ordinary person would work. 5,000 meter elevation, half the oxygen of sea level, temperatures dropping to 20 C, almost zero humidity. Harsh for humans, perfect for observing the faintest signals from space. In this silent desert, the universe speaks more clearly than anywhere else on Earth. That's why ALMA was built here, because science sometimes requires going beyond human comfort. Chapter 2. One person, 66 antennas. While scientists around the world rely on ALMA's data, very few know that during certain hours, only one person keeps all 66 antennas aligned and functioning. This lone technician adjusts antenna directions, monitors signal strength, clears frost and snow, fixes mechanical issues on the spot, makes emergency decisions completely alone. And even more impressive, a 0.mm misalignment can ruin the entire observation. So up here, every movement matters. Every decision counts. Chapter 3. Listening to the universe in silence. At dawn, the plateau is silent. Even the wind feels thin. One technician described the moment when all antennas align. When all 66 point in the same direction, it feels like the universe is whispering to us. That silence is my favorite part of the job. He may be alone, but in that solitude, something extraordinary happens. He feels the universe watching back. Chapter 4. A single frame can change science. ALMA's images and data help scientists study how galaxies form, how planets are born, how matter behaves near black holes. And sometimes, one frame captured by a single technician can shift the direction of global research. Astronomers openly say, without the technicians on site, we wouldn't know the universe at all. They rarely get credit. Their names seldom appear in papers, but every discovery starts with their steady hands. Chapter 5. Why do they work in such isolation? It's not for fame. It's not for recognition. It's something much deeper. They want to witness the parts of the universe humanity has never seen. They don't look at galaxies directly, but they operate the instruments that do. And when their equipment detects light that has traveled billions of years, they realize this job is part of human history. Chapter 6. The unsung heroes behind space science. Behind every major discovery are people we rarely see. Rocket mechanics, deep-sea divers fixing submarine cables, and here, technicians on a desert plateau. They are not researchers, but without them, research doesn't exist. This story resonates with viewers around the world because great achievements are often built by people whose names we never hear. Hope Reactor exists to honor those people. Final chapter. While you watch this video, someone is listening to the universe. The Atacama Desert at sunrise is surreal. Cold, quiet, almost unearthly. And there, one technician adjusts an antenna that will collect signals from billions of light years away. That data becomes the galaxy photos you see. It becomes the discoveries you learn about. It becomes the history of science. The world is moved forward, not only by the famous, but by those who work in silence, on the edges of human endurance. And today, we honor them. Ending call to action. If this story inspired you, please consider subscribing. Your support helps us continue sharing the hidden stories of the people who quietly shape our world. This is Hope Reactor. See you in the next video.